Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and I need to zoom out a bit. This is what we're doing today. These are still parts from the previous stages, and as you can see, quite a lot. I've got number one on the desk already, so why not get in there? But I want to ask you to like this and subscribe. That helps me a lot, and I see that only 1/3 of my subscribers are looking at my videos. Please have a look at my video, or at least give it a like. So that is much appreciated if you do so. But let's get into this build. Okay, we're doing stages 45, 46, and 47. Those are the last few stages I have in and that I can do something with. So let's see what we're doing. These are the parts that we have. So we've got the front fit. We're fitting the front spoiler, as they say. We're starting with that one and putting that on. Then we're putting this one on, and it's D-shaped, so have a good look at how that is. And we're going to put over that. I did put it on the wrong side. I did put it on the wrong side. Those must be these. I've got so many of them. Can't be anything else. Okay, we've got that together like so. And as you can see, that is movable. And I think it's on this side. And I'm thinking, and I believe they are O screws, but I'm not sure. Because we got them in stage 12, or in pack 12, I think. In pack 12 there was no build guide. I had to do it another way, and in the other way I did it, there was no screw guide. Then we're getting this one out, like so, and it's good that I brought that one out. There's a standard screw in there already. And we're closing this one off. So we've got that cap. That one in as well, where the battery compartment is. I'm turning it around because we're going to do some wire tidying. And I've wire tidied it almost completely around to almost where this switch is going to be. So it's wire tidied from there all the way around to where that is. And there are some points that you can put them around, because we're going to be working right there. And I did get the front bumper out, as you can see there. 2.6 times 6 screws to put in, the self-tapping kind. Yep, we got it on that side, and then we're going to turn it around and put them in here as well. So we've got 2 screws right there, and of course on the opposite side, and 2 of those right there. And I've used the ones that were labeled O, and that is this stage done. We're getting this one out. We've got a lot of the, let's have a look at this side. So we pushed it in on those points and on this point here. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put screws on here, and on the upper side the same thing. And those are all the M screw with a large flange. We're going to do all the screws on the other side as well. There we go. All in, wobble checked. Then we're going to turn it around, and this is hard for me to show they want me to get the right one here. So we're going to put that pin, maybe I can show it to you. That one is going into that hole, and that one is going into that one. And that is in, and we push that one into that position there, so to cool the brakes. We're doing the same thing on the other side, of course, like so. We're pushing that one into that position. This looks good. Next, I think this all sailed this stage. The other way around. Yeah. More or less there. Then we're going to turn it over. And put those two together. And then we've got it neatly in there. And we've got the beautiful flange screws holding it from underneath, and then more or less letting that screw go in by itself. As you see right there, beautifully in. Now let's see what we do next. Nothing. That's this stage done. And I need to have a good look which one is which. We do need the springs. I need to have a good look. And we're doing the same thing on the other side, of course. Okay, that's in as well. Then we're going to put that plate over it. And I've got one of those, but I think I need two. But I think this is the last. Yep, that one is in as well. And we're going to turn it around because we will be doing something right there. But I need to have a quick look if I've got more of those. Yeah, I do. I have one more of those rings that I need. And the shock absorbers are in. We're going to stay here and we're going to do the steering mechanism. And as this is metal on metal, let's get a bit of Vaseline out, if I can find it. Two of those O screws, I think. Is into plastic, so that would be. Then we're going to turn this around and go to the back. Well, that's the first real red parts on the chassis. All my greasy fingers are on that, but that doesn't do anything for the paint, so that's all right. And that one is in as well, and we're going to put that away right there, because I think that is, so we're going straight to that one, and I'm going to say that is that. We've got quite a bit of, as you can see right there, these are the parts that we have left over, and we've done quite a bit. These are the leftover parts. Let me put that away. And this is what we have done today, and a little bit of that from the previous clips where we've done, movies that we've done. I'm pretty happy. I've got all the packs now that I've got in, all the packs that I've got in are now done. I've got just a Porsche 917 KH to do. And I'm waiting on that kit parts that were missing in the last box that I got. So thank you very much for watching again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my builds. Saying thank you very much, and hope to see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.